What are you doing?
Reading a book.
Reading a book?
Did you see me wake up?
You woke up just now.
I did.
Yeah.
Are you taking a picture of me?
I am taking a picture of you.
Look at this whole house.
Look at the house.
Yeah. The front.
Did you sleep good?
I did. Let's see if there's hippopotamuses.
You're going to see if there's hippopotamuses?
You know what this guy's name is? That's a hippopotamus.
That doesn't look like a hippopotamus.
What's his name is?
It looks like a horse. There's a guy riding a horse. You ready to shut off your night light and go downstairs?
So I'm gonna leave this on.
You don't want to leave it on.
I set it off.
Okay. You can put your book down so we can go potty and get dressed. Oh, so the monkey can read it? That's nice of you.